The crypto market has made many millionaires and continues to explode year after year. The potential for passive income for crypto space is ridiculously huge. And today we'll be covering an app that can earn you 1 to 1.4% per day on your investment. Yes, you heard this right. Sounds interesting? Want to know more about this? Stay till the end of this video and I'll show you exactly how you can do that. Without wasting any time, let's dive straight into SCF Chain. So here we are on their website, cutting edge DeFi technology. Well, what is SCF Chain? Well, it's the next generation cross-chain. SCF Chain supports digital asset interactions with other public chains through atomic swaps, which is a peer-to-peer transaction system using different blockchains to allow full release of asset liquidity and further enhance user experience. Zero knowledge proof is one of the layer 2 capacity expansions schemes supported by SCF double chains, and it also is an optional model when constructing parallel chains for FinChain. FinChain is parallel chain, supports non-interactive zero knowledge proof and recursive zero knowledge proof to ensure the privacy of security and FinChain. Now we are getting a little too deep with the information right here, but all you need to know is a cross-chain and it has a big ecosystem of its own apps. Starting with FinSwap, it's a composable cross-chain liquidity aggregation protocol, so basically an exchange. FinSTB, it collects and verifies basic information, credit ratings, and other data to develop smart contracts. FUSD, their stablecoin, a decentralized key cross-border payment gateway based on SC public blockchain. FinBill aims to achieve 6 key functions in a decentralized manner, leveraging the concepts of Web 3.0, issuance of financial bills as NFTs, trading of financial bills NFTs, providing liquidity support, decentralization, and further on. FinX, which is their decentralized derivative exchange on SCF financial public chain. Finbox is a decentralized instant messaging plus constant Web3 social platform. And the FinSol, which is a Titan-level innovative masterpiece that combines co-created a GameFi programmable NFTs and metaverse DeFi. So as you can see, their ecosystem is developing and it has a lot of features going into their team. They, as you can imagine, are all docs. You can read all about them, what roles they participate in, and just some basic information. Then we have some news, and then we are touched with their mobile app, which we'll dive into in a moment. As you can see, you can download it on App Store as well as Android, and I was told that it works better on Android for those Android users. Then we have some socials and contacts. Make sure to check those out if you want to. And now, without further ado, let's dive straight into their app. So here we are on their app. Right here, you can see some of their ecosystem apps, such as FinSwap and FinSol already. You can click on those, and then here you can see the token growth list, some of the top coins on their app. Now, keep in mind, this is very easy to navigate through. Their homepage and their app in general is very, very easy to use. And if we click on SCF right here, then we can already learn about how we can get those juicy 1.4 daily % returns. But before we do that, you'll need to create yourself a wallet. That's very easy to do. Just click the wallet, it'll generate an ID, and then you can use it to log in. Here you'll own your own non-custodial wallet, all for free on the app. And if we go back to SCF, here you can see how you can earn those 1.4% daily returns. Click pledge period right here. Here you can see that in 30 days we can earn 1.4% daily on SCF and 1.2% daily on FUSDT. FUSDT, keep in mind again, is their stablecoin, and SCF is their course ecosystem token in general. We click on SCF exchange. Here you can see the exchange, and then we can add liquidity, the pledge if we want to. And if we click on FUSD exchange, here you can see that we can exchange that one as well. So again, very easy navigation. And then if we click on the profit tab, here you can see all of our contribution rewards, user assets, as well as my team. It stands for referral rewards. Here you can see liquidity, our referred person has put it in. So keep in mind there are referrals active as well. And then if we click on the browser tab, here you can see the full network overview, as well as all of the transactions on their blockchain. So you can see 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 2 seconds ago. Everything here is public. So again, their app is very easy to navigate through. Just keep in mind that you'll not be lost here. Well, with the app being covered, that's about it for the whole video as well, guys. We have ran out of time, unfortunately, but if you like this video, if you like this project, make sure to leave a comment. I'll update you guys with a second video where I'll explain more in depth. One more thing I have to mention is that they do have a very in-depth white paper where you can learn every single bit of information about this project that you will possibly need. So guys, let me know your opinions about this project one more time, and make sure you like this video if you liked the review. As always, guys, thank you for tuning in to another video, and I'll make sure to catch you in the next one. Stay safe and good luck earning in DeFi.